Welcome back to WealthWise Hub, your trusted source for financial wisdom and empowerment. In today's video, we're diving deep into a topic that affects countless individuals: breaking free from the rat race, overcoming destructive financial habits. Are you stuck in the endless cycle of the rat race due to destructive financial habits? You're not alone. But the good news is you can break free and take control of your financial destiny. Let's begin by identifying some common destructive habits that may be holding you back. Habit 1. Living beyond your means. Excessive spending can keep you trapped in the rat race, always chasing after the next paycheck. Habit 2. Neglecting savings. Failing to prioritize savings means you miss out on the chance to build financial security. Habit 3. Fear of investing. Avoiding investments due to fear or lack of knowledge can hinder your financial growth. Now, let's explore practical solutions to these destructive habits that can help you break free. Solution 1. Live below your means. Embrace a lifestyle that allows you to save and invest consistently, even if it means making sacrifices. Solution 2. Prioritize savings. Start with an emergency fund, and then focus on saving for short-term goals and retirement. Solution 3. Overcome investing fear. Educate yourself, consider seeking professional advice, and take gradual steps to enter the world of investing. To illustrate the power of these solutions, we'd like to share a real-life story. Meet Sarah, a hardworking individual who once found herself caught in the relentless cycle of the rat race due to destructive financial habits. Like many, she struggled with overspending, neglected savings, and had a fear of investing. But Sarah decided that enough was enough. She made a commitment to break free from these habits and take control of her financial future. Sarah adopted a more frugal lifestyle, cutting unnecessary expenses and prioritizing her financial well-being. She started with a small emergency fund and diligently saved a portion of her income, building a financial safety net. Sarah educated herself about various investment options, consulted with a financial advisor, and began her investment journey. Over time, Sarah's financial situation began to transform. She felt more secure, had financial goals in place, and watched her investments grow. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of breaking free from destructive financial habits. With determination, education, and a commitment to change, she achieved financial independence and escaped the rat race. And you can too. Remember, your financial journey starts with a decision to take control of your destiny. Thank you for joining us on WealthWise Hub. If you found this video valuable and are eager to continue your journey towards financial freedom, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our latest financial insights, practical tips, and inspiring success stories that can empower you.